Hello everyone, welcome to this very first video in this playlist. We are going to see the unboxing of WOL3D's iTouch pen. Okay, first the box itself is very nicely packed. Let's see what's inside. It has a default manual that comes along. And then it also has got some stencils. This is a sample one. I think that's a complex peacock. That looks like exactly the same. I don't know why there are two of the same kind. It is strange. They are exactly the same. Okay, now that reminds me of the trace paper that we used to use. That's used for tracing. That's where we'll really draw. And this is again another stencil, but that's not really stencil. That's patriotic. Taj Mahal. Yeah. And a cleaning cloth, stand for our pen, and then we have got actual pen itself, which is pretty neat. iTouch 3D is written nicely there. We have multiple controls. Let's see closely what is that. One is for inserting the filament, the other one is for retracting it, and we have a low-high setting on the power. I think that's for the PLA and ABS filaments. We also got control for increasing the speed. I think that's for removing it, which is not needed. So this one supports 4 different speeds, and there are 2 ports. One is on the charging, and the other one is for inserting the filaments, I guess. And that's the charging cable, the standard, and the charging adapter. Everything neatly packed for its price. And then you also have got some filaments, 3 of them in the box: white, black, and then orange. Filament themselves are looks like very nicely packed, vacuum packed, which is important to avoid humidity. Overall, it's a neat, clean packing. Again, for its price, it's a very good packing, I would say. This I bought it in the WOL3D franchise that got recently opened in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So pretty much putting everything in the table now. The pen with the stand, charging cable and the adapter, and then the stencils, the manual. Let's see what's there in the manual. It just says it's 5 volt, ABS PLA supporter. Yeah, there are some instructions there. Let's not get over it now. We'll have a separate video where we'll go through creating some samples out of this. Yeah, the duplicate stencils, and of course the cleaning cloth. Thanks for watching.